Hello friends, I am Dr. Viswesvaran, currently working as a consultant interventional pulmonology at Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. On August 1st of this year, we are celebrating the Lung Cancer Day. We all know that the lung cancer is one of the most important causes of cancer worldwide, and India is no exception, and it can affect both men and women. On contrary to the belief that the lung cancers affect only the elderly population, we are seeing increase in incidence of lung cancers even in younger population of 20 to 30 years. One of the most important risk factors for this lung cancer is smoking. Almost 80 to 85% of the lung cancers occur to smoking. However, 10 to 15% of the lung cancers can be attributed to other causes like passive smoking, indoor and outdoor air pollution, and even occupational exposure. So in case if you are having persistent cough which is not relieved by symptomatic medications, or if you are having breathing problem, or if you are having blood in the cough, or if you are having loss of appetite or loss of weight or unexplained fever, then probably you need to get consulted with your pulmonologist because you may be suffering from lung cancer. And early identification of lung cancer and appropriate treatment can bring about a significant change in the life of these patients. And with the advancements in the science, even many of these lung cancer patients with the newer modalities like immunotherapy continue to remain symptom free and cancer free for quite long period of time. So stop smoking and advise others to stop smoking, and let's lead a happy and a healthy life. Thank you.